Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making buns and we're going to use sugar, warm water, wheat flour, yeast, and a little bit of salt. We'll start by mixing our dry ingredients. That is our flour, the yeast, the sugar, the salt. Then we mix this to combine them and add our warm water. We'll now mix with a spoon, and when we can't do that anymore, we use our hands. And when that also stops working, we transfer it to a counter and we knead the dough with both hands. You're going to need to knead it with your hands for about 10 minutes so that it's thoroughly mixed and ready to be set aside. Meanwhile, if it is your first time on my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and click on the notification bell so you can be alerted every time I upload a new recipe. After you knead your dough, it's going to be soft. You're going to set it aside, covered in a warm place for a minimum of 1 hour. After 1 hour, you'll find that your dough has doubled in size. So you're going to knead it all over again. And then you're going to roll it out and proceed to cut it into pieces depending on how many buns you intend to make. Just work towards having an even size for your buns. After cutting the roll into pieces, you roll each piece into a neat ball so that your buns are decently shaped. Meanwhile, on a tray that I had already greased and dusted, I'm going to arrange my rolled up pieces and set them aside so that they can rise again. I'll leave some spaces between them because when they rise, they're going to become larger. This is what you can see here. This is after they've risen. Then I'll set them in a preheated oven. And this is what we have after 20 minutes. It's very important to brush your buns with butter immediately after they come from the oven because they'll need that to help them soften as they cool down. This is our final result. I've cut one piece so you can see the inside. Thanks for watching.